How to replace the burner from ARBUDA Torpedo Mini gas fogging machine. Disconnect the ignition wire carefully. Unscrew both sides of the coil net set, one on the left, one on the right. Remove the nozzle gently. It's a delicate part, so handle with care. Slide out the coil net set from the machine, towards the right. Inside, you'll find the SS coil set. Hold the center nut and slowly remove the side nut. Start from the left. Inside the center nut, there's a small steel valve. Keep it safe in a clean, dry place. To remove the burner, hold the burner body carefully without disturbing the hole alignment and turn it anti-clockwise. Once removed, handle the gas filter with care. To install the new burner, first place the gas filter properly into the burner body. Then, fix the new burner securely by turning it clockwise, making sure not to misalign the holes. Place the small steel valve back into the center nut. Fix the SS coil set properly, as shown in the video. Close the side nut and tighten it while holding the center nut. Reinsert the coil net set into the machine and align it correctly. Tighten the side screws securely. Reattach the nozzle. Make sure it's clean and clear. Reconnect the ignition wire. That's it. You've successfully replaced the burner in your Torpedo Mini fogger.